Hi, this is Samar Shafiq. Welcome to my channel Technological World. So today I will tell you how to install WordPress on your system. So for this, go to google.com, write WordPress here, go to the second link, which is wordpress.org, and here you will get the WordPress latest as I have downloaded this. So when you download, you will get this zip file. After extracting this, you will get this here. So which name do you want to give to your website? You can give it here. Let's say I am giving it my site, my dash site. So after giving it the name, please copy this folder to the folder where which you have XAMPP installed on your system. So I will just go to the XAMPP folder and then go to the htdocs and just I will save it here. So now it's copying. So here you go, I have got this my site. Now what I will do, I will make database. So here I will go to localhost php my admin. So now here I will just make my database my dash site. So I have created. Now what I will do, I'll just write localhost and my site. Oh sorry, it will be my dash site as I have given it the name my site, my dash site. So yes, this is opening. As it's loading, it means that WordPress is loading it. Well, it takes some time to load, and here you go, WordPress has been loaded. So I have just selected English as a language. So let's go. Now database name, you can see I have just given my site. So my dash site is a database name. Username, it will be root, and there will be no password. Database is localhost, host name is localhost. So just submit it. So it will say run. So it takes some time because it was running. So now let's say my site again, just put in the name and username, let's say admin, and if you want to give your email, and it is recommended that you should give your email here. Like this, you will give email, and then you have to just install the WordPress. So it will take some time to install the WordPress. As you can see, it is loading down it. So yes, it has been loaded. So I have just saved this. I will just log in, and here will just write the name admin, admin, and password was this. So just now we are getting logged in. So here you go, we have just installed the WordPress, and this is your site, and now you can play around this and make the websites. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and help my channel grow. Thank you.